Mickie James, born August 31st, 1979, is an American professional wrestler and country singer. She is signed to WWE as an ambassador. She is also signed to Ohio Valley Wrestling (OVW) as creative director, head of female talent, and executive producer. She is also known for her tenures in Total Nonstop Action Wrestling (TNA) and National Wrestling Alliance (NWA). James began her wrestling career in 1999 as a valet on the independent circuit, where she was known under the name Alexis Laree. She trained in several camps to improve her wrestling abilities before working for NWA, Total Nonstop Action in 2002, where she gained national attention. After only a few appearances, she joined a stable called The Gathering and was written into storylines with the group. She, until 2025, was the only woman to be involved in the promotion's Clockwork Orange House of Fun matches. James made her World Wrestling Entertainment WWE main roster debut in 2005 and was placed in a storyline with Trish Stratus, in which James' gimmick was that of Stratus' biggest fan turned obsessed stalker, an angle which ran over 8 months. She received a push, and she won her first WWE Women's Championship at WrestleMania 22, a championship she has held a total of 5 times. James also won her first and only Divas Championship, defeating Maurice Wella at Night of Champions in 2009, to become the second of 5 Divas to hold both the Women's and Divas Championships. She was released from the company in April 2010, after which she returned to TNA, where she became a 3-time TNA Knockouts champion. James returned to WWE in 2013 as a guest trainer, then officially returned in 2016 before she was once again released in 2021. James would then make occasional appearances and would ultimately return to Impact Wrestling in 2021, winning her 4th and 5th Knockouts Championship, making James a total 11-time Women's World Champion between WWE and Impact. James was born at Richmond Memorial Hospital in Richmond, Virginia, the daughter of Stuart James, a retired wastewater treatment worker, landscaper, and VAIL League Division III Championship coach, and Sandra Knuckles, a teacher and real estate agent. Her parents divorced while she was young. She has a sister, a half-sister, a half-brother, and 3 stepbrothers. She grew up in Montpelier, Virginia, and graduated from Patrick Henry High School in 1997. While growing up, she spent a lot of time on her grandmother's horse farm and developed a keen interest in equestrian sports. She played violin for 5 years. Personal life. through her mother, Mickie James is half Native American of the Powhatan tribe. Outside of wrestling, James received her Associate of Arts degree in Business Administration and studied for her Bachelor of Arts degree in Operations Management. When James retires from wrestling, she plans to own a farm and become a horse trainer. She owns 3 Morgan horses named Rhapsody, Bunny, and Casanova, as well as 2 dogs, one named Butch and a miniature pinscher named Elvis. James has a tattoo of a symbol meaning love on her ankle and a dragon that wraps around it. She is a fan of equestrianism and American football, supporting the Dallas Cowboys. In 2007, James was engaged to fellow wrestler Kenny Dykstra. In December 2010, James started dating English professional wrestler Nick Aldis, and on September 25, 2014, they had their first child. James and Aldis got engaged in December 2014 and married on December 31, 2015. Her son would make a televised appearance on the February 27, 2026 episode of TNA Impact. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.